Okay. It was uploaded today, dumbass. I can see that. Doesn't mean that I should break fucking rules, because then some other guy, even if this video is safe, some other guy will think, oh, but you watched this guy's video, I also upload one video, fucking shit. I mean, it's a sub, so I guess that helps. Okay. Also, I don't even want 7 TV. Alright? Get your normal shit out of my face.
Forsen, I know you are a boomer, are getting old. So I have to tell you that this video requires you to navigate with your mouse, because the video is in 3D. Good luck.
Deletion.
Hello, Mr. Force. I donate, therefore I am. Hello, Mr. Force. Hello, Mr. Force. What's your favorite Joe calendar? Here's mine, Bomber BTW. The loudest stream snipper doesn't even come close to how fucking loud you are when you scream.
Fix the fucking microphone settings! What about you fucking... Fuck you. Mysteriet på Greveholm.
Forsen.
classic.
If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and a comment on what you want to see next.